We're in Taipa village. That's Clérigos right there. We're gonna be walking down Clérigos Street. So I'm just kind of giving a little context, but you can see through this particular building, and you can, and basically we're gonna be going around the block. But it's kind of a cool spot. It's always really popular with tourists. It's right on this Clérigos Street since 1948. And just kind of give you a little bit of a reference where we are. Got tons of tourists everywhere in here. And we're gonna go around the corner and down our target street. So stay tuned. Hey, check out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So we're gonna kind of meander this way first. And basically this goes all the way up to the Symphonia Festival, and there's also a lot of tourist stuff right here. And we're gonna be going directly down Clérigos, and then we're gonna go left to through Clérigos Street. But yeah, that's really a popular, crazy area. Try to capture, wait till the bus goes by, and then we're gonna go across. Now we can go across. Just to give you a little thing right here, there's a dragon head right there. So that's the dragon, and then you can see the tail goes all the way up and down, a leg as well. So we're still not quite at our target street yet, which is Clérigos. That's the other side of the ice cream shop. I guess they got ice cream, they got pork chop buns as well. So that whole area is and this is Clérigos, and our street's going to be this little Clérigos, which is going to be right down here to the left. But I just kind of wanted to give you the whole context of the street, just so you can see all the busyness of it. And then you're going to find this street really quaint and interesting, and kind of away from the crowd. So if you want to come to a very popular area and you don't really want to be, you should go through here, of course, but then you can easily escape it as well. So yeah, this is all Clérigos right here. Which I hadn't really noticed this building is painted green like that. Another, that's beef au pau, like beef intestines. So, okay. Going to try to capture the whole scene, because once we go in, it's going to change quite a bit. You can just kind of give you that feeling of crowdedness, people, and now we're going to try to navigate the crowds a little bit. So we kind of got crowds everywhere, and then you got all the way down, right? And then once we go down our target street, which is Rua dos Clérigos, just kind of highlight that real quick. There it goes. Tough way up there as well. Okay, so we're gonna move down. Then we're gonna be targeting this street right here, Clérigos Street. Rua dos Clérigos. Okay. So this is another popular place. Pork chop bun. So that whole area is Clérigos. Rua de Cunha. And then this street brings in some of that, and then you'll see it kind of slowly tapers off a little bit. Chicken feet, Chiang Mai. Oh, this is the Thai restaurant, I think. No, but it does say Chiang Mai chicken feet. Huh. Oh, here's the Taiwan right here. Siam restaurant. Portugalia. A lot of good food here. And a little coffee house right here. I remember this one when it was under construction, which was during COVID. Now it's fully realized. Looks like a nice place now. Sit outside as well, and you're not too far from that space as well. So, okay. So we're gonna keep on walking down our Target Street here. The Lux. Oh.
Hey,
Hey guys.
How you doing, man?
Yeah.
Doing good?
I'm filming this street, and I was gonna go down there to your kitchen and I don't know if you're open.
We're
Are you closed?
Because
Okay.
for the event, you should come to the
Oh,
event.
Lucifonia. Oh.
No. 5 for Fiesta. Fiesta for 5 or yeah.
Oh,
It's
okay.
in front of the Eiffel Tower, that big
Next to
garden.
London.
Oh.
Yeah.
Today's
We
the
are there
last
for
day.
11 days already.
That little garden. The,
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, it's not little in Macau standards, you know. It's
True.
like huge. No, but today's the last day though.
Today's
Oh,
the
okay.
last day, yeah. You should come over. There's food and stuff.
Yeah, I was at the Lucifonia the last 2 days. There's
Oh,
everything. There's
okay.
Halloween events. There's Lucifonia. There's
It's crazy. Like Macau government is
Here.
doing a great job, you know. Like
Yeah.
so many popping.
oh yeah, all the tents. Yeah, everything's
Yeah.
at the same time though.
Yeah.
Their idea was to follow one by one. You have MIF, then the Eiffel Tower event, then our event.
Yeah.
Now Lusophony event.
We're right in front of the stage where like the Chinese Portuguese products. So my dad is selling wine and we have food and everything.
Oh wow.
You should pass by. Tonight is last day.
Okay. I just had dinner. I just had lunch. So thank you for bringing me to a really good restaurant. So actually this is I was actually gonna bring the camera over here, and then I'm continuing it from before. So it's about an hour later, and we're gonna continue down our street. And I just want to say thanks. Look at that mural. It's beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna move on, and we're gonna there's the owner right there.
Bye.
So okay. So we're gonna come back to our Target Street. Hello, thank you. So Belmont is actually, there was a Barcelona restaurant and now it's a Portuguese restaurant. And we're on Esperanza. So this was the Target Street that we were just on, and we're going to continue down our street, and our street is Clérigos. Actually, there's a 1 hour gap between, and looks like it's. I just had dinner with the owners of my Misty Kitchen. Thanks for them. Thanks to them. And we're going to continue on our rest of the video. Kind of cool camera angle. Okay, so we're going to continue on. We got the Portuguese bakery coming up, so this is all on Clérigos, and kind of have let me just kind of do a little 360 here. Portuguese coffee shop, dinner time and cafe, more of Clérigos. It's actually quite a few shops, and I don't think this is the end of Clérigos. I think it's gonna go around the corner slightly, but we're gonna see. I can't remember exactly. me see, I think this one is different street. Chokers. Mercadores. So we're gonna head back. So that's our target street right there. And we're gonna come around real quick. And actually this time we're just kind of capturing the beauty of the street. Taipa village, it is pretty cool space actually. So this is actually a really nice square right here. Let's go at nights up there. And we're just going to conclude our Clérigos street. Come back here. And that's Clérigos. And we're going to end it right there. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.